All right. Well, welcome. We're in Disneyland. Someone told me that my wife might be mountain.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the box.
Okay.
Please, watch your kids. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Cuiden los pequeños. Auf Wiedersehen.
Thank you.
All right, so we found some ears, but we did not find leaves. And he said the fastest way up this mountain was Bobsleds. We got dark real quick. Oh, snap! Oh, it's so fun! It's so fun! Oh, what the heck was that? Something that hit us. Oh no! Oh, they had a bad day! They had a bad day! Woo! Hey, 5 more! Whoa! What was that? Wow. Okay. I don't see leaves anywhere. There are leaves anywhere. Oh, you check those guys? They're really going fast. Maybe leaves is in that car over there. Come back over here. Oh, wow. Leaves in that car over there. That wasn't leave. Oh, hi everybody. Okay. It's almost a bridge. Oh, there was water. Where'd the people go in that car? That's
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Not many cents in Charles, por favor.
Well, I think we better go on some of these other places to look for Lise, because that was really crazy. She wasn't there. There was some other Yeti or something, but not Lise. Well, stick around. Maybe more from Disneyland if I survive. Yay.